Learn English to Hindi. Find forms. Find in.
ढूंढना.
Welcome to the Great Lost Keys Mystery. Hey, you are in the right place if you have ever lost your keys, your phone, or your dignity in a supermarket aisle. Today, you will learn how to say find and several useful forms in Hindi while solving a very dramatic and very unnecessary mystery. Our hero wakes up, checks every pocket, and announces, I need to find my keys before my tea gets cold. In Hindi, to find is
ढूंढना.
Say it with me.
ढूंढना.
A detective tune plays in the background, probably on a tiny violin, while you march around the room pretending to search. That action, to find or search for something, is
ढूंढना.
Meet the Find family. Now you are going to meet the whole grammar family. They are all related, all useful, and all slightly dramatic. Base verb. Find equals.
ढूंढना.
I would find equals.
मैं पाता.
Imagine saying, with one more cup of coffee.
मैं पाता.
The answer. You would find equals.
तुम पाते.
If you looked under the sofa.
तुम पाते.
The remote. He would find equals.
वो पाता.
She would find equals.
पाती.
In a fuller phrase, you can hear.
वो पाती.
Would find, in this learning set equals.
मिलेगा.
We would find equals.
हम पाते.
You all would find equals.
आप लोग पाते.
They would find equals.
वे पाते.
A very serious sofa investigation. Let us put the words into a mini-story. Spoiler. The keys are never where people think they are. I crawl under the sofa and whisper.
मैं पाता.
The keys, if the dust bunnies would cooperate. My friend laughs and says, no, if you checked properly.
तुम पाते.
Them already. My brother joins the mission. We all stare at him with fake respect because maybe.
वो पाता.
The clue. Then my sister walks in, moves one cushion, and instantly.
पाती.
The missing keys. Of course she does. That is how family legends begin. Hope, drama, and future discovery. Sometimes you do not know where the thing is, but you still believe it will turn up. That hopeful feeling has a word too. When someone says the answer would be found, or will be found in this learning set, use
मिलेगा.
Imagine a hero on a mountain saying, do not worry. The map.
मिलेगा.
Single quote. It sounds hopeful, like a flashlight in the dark, or like a friend saying your missing wallet is probably not gone forever, just hiding with attitude. Team search mode. Now let us bring in more people, because searching alone is tiring and also less funny. Group grammar to the rescue. We would find equals.
हम पाते.
Example. If we searched together.
हम पाते.
The answer. You all would find equals.
आप लोग पाते.
Example. If you all looked in the drawer.
आप लोग पाते.
The note. They would find equals.
वे पाते.
Example. With patience.
वे पाते.
The way. Notice the pattern. The forms change, but the idea of finding stays clear and useful. Funny dialogue drill. Listen to this little dialogue and repeat the Hindi parts out loud. Yes, even if your cat judges your pronunciation. A. I want to find my phone. B. Use.
ढूंढना.
A. In that case, I would find it. B.
मैं पाता.
A. If you checked your bag, you would find it. B.
तुम पाते.
A. If he looked on the table, he would find it. B.
वो पाता.
A. If she checked the kitchen, she would find it. B.
पाती.
A. Do you think the answer would be found? B.
मिलेगा.
A. If we searched together, we would find it. B.
हम पाते.
A. If you all looked there, you all would find it. B.
आप लोग पाते.
A. If they tried again, they would find it. B.
वे पाते.
Quick recall challenge. Time for a fast mini quiz. You answer in your head or out loud. Either way, your brain is doing push-ups. What is the Hindi word for find?
ढूंढना.
How do you say I would find?
मैं पाता.
How do you say you would find?
तुम पाते.
How do you say he would find?
वो पाता.
How do you say she would find?
पाती.
How do you say would find in this set?
मिलेगा.
How do you say we would find?
हम पाते.
How do you say you all would find?
आप लोग पाते.
How do you say they would find?
वे पाते.
Your daily mission. Here is your challenge for real life. Make your language practice a tiny comedy show. Hide a coin, a pen, or a sock in your room. Then say each form while pretending to search for it. Start with
ढूंढना.
then say
मैं पाता.
single quote single quote.
तुम पाते.
Single quote single quote.
वो पाता.
Single quote single quote.
पाती.
Single quote single quote.
मिलेगा.
Single quote single quote.
हम पाते.
Single quote single quote.
आप लोग पाते.
And
वे पाते.
single quote. If you accidentally hide the object too well, congratulations, you have created advanced homework. Friendly conclusion. You did it. You followed the mystery, survived the sofa dust, and learned a whole set of useful Hindi forms. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these words out loud.
ढूंढना. मैं पाता. तुम पाते. वो पाता. पाती. मिलेगा. हम पाते. आप लोग पाते.
And
वे पाते.
practice a little every day, smile when you forget, and come back tomorrow to find even more Hindi. Yes, that was a fine joke. I regret nothing.